Hello, my name is Matt Conran from Network Insight and welcome to my course in DevOps Foundations, Operational Strategies. I'm a lead network and security architect and I'm based in Dublin, Ireland. In this course, we'll be discussing the key areas to help you develop a solid operational strategy for your environment. We will first address the main challenges for building a strategy. Today's environment is dynamic and complex and requires a new approach that can handle the agility and scale of today's landscape. We have unpredictable failures with different types of failure modes. That traditional monitoring and a metrics-based approach falls short. We will then dig deeper into the reliability stack and highlight the key areas of service level management components. We want to drive innovation when we can and spend our error budgets. We'll be looking at the SRE principles and I'll display service level objectives and service level indicators on Google Cloud. We will then address the key areas of observability by discussing distributed tracing and cardinality. There will be some guidance on how to start an observability project and its key considerations. We will also have a demo on chaos engineering. Finally, we will address automation and the platform team model. You want to automate as much as possible for predictability and consistency. In this course, we will have theory, concepts and demonstrations. The practical use cases that are presented to you will put you in the shoes of starting a reliability and observability project. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of how to build an operational strategy and how it can be applied to your environment. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn DevOps Foundations, Operational Strategies course at Pluralsight.